Hi folks, my name is Tommy Nisula and I'm the CEO of SpaceVac. If you need to clean surfaces on high levels or surfaces that are otherwise hard to reach, we have the best system in the world for you. It's called SpaceVac. SpaceVac is a high-level cleaning system that offers several benefits. Increased efficiency. SpaceVac's extremely stiff and super light poles give the cleaning team a much longer reach. It makes it possible for them to efficiently clean high and hard to reach surfaces, therefore saving a lot of time. Improved safety. SpaceVac eliminates the need for workers to use ladders and other access equipment, therefore greatly reducing the risk of any accidents. Improved cleaning results. SpaceVac's powerful vacuum system gives a clean and hygienic result. Cost savings. SpaceVac is such an efficient system, it would normally reduce your cost with about 80% compared to traditional ways of cleaning using access equipment. Versatility. SpaceVac is a very versatile system. You can use it in any type of building, ranging from normal commercial buildings or in industrial buildings that have zones Division 1 or Division 2. If you find this product is interesting, please feel free to contact us. We'll support you and answer all your questions. Thank you very much for listening.